Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna do the unboxing of this Hollyland Lark A1 mic. So I recently bought this mic from Amazon. It costed me around 4,000 rupees. It's a good mic for those who is starting to create videos. And yeah, let's unbox it, guys. I don't know I don't know how it works. I am using it for the first time, and no one has recommended this mic. It's just that Hollyland is a good brand, and the review is good on the internet. So that's why I bought this Hollyland mic. I also had the DJI option, but I chose to go with this Hollyland mic. So guys, I've opened the box. Let's see what it has in it. First is the manual, which I'm not gonna read. No one reads it. And this is the pouch for us to keep the mic. We have got this cable to charge our mic. And here you go. This is the mic that we have got. It's a compact mic, guys. The size of the mic is 0.9 centimeter and the weight is also less. It's something, I don't know the weight. Let's open it, guys. Wow, here's the mic, guys. We have got two mics in it, and here's the receiver that we are going to attach it to the phone. What is this? Yeah, this is the windshield protection. So if we are recording a video where there is a lot of wind, we can use this windshield protection, which helps us to reduce the sound of the air. So before I attach this mic to my phone, I just want to tell you one thing, that there is one more mic, the same mic, Hollyland Lark A1, which cost around 8,000 rupees or something, 7,000 rupees. You get what? You get the charging case with it. But I did not get the case. I only got the pouch to keep my phone. So I paid something 3,000 less and I got the same mic. Now let's do the testing. uh, we have got magnet in this mic. The mic magnet is strong, so even if you just put it on your t-shirt or shirt and run, it won't fall. It's that strong. So I'm just gonna, what I do, I'm gonna use this magnet and put it on my t-shirt. So this is how I will attach the mic. And yeah, so the voice that you are hearing right now is without the noise cancellation feature. So maybe you will be able to hear some background noise, the children's noise in the background, uh, the kids noise in the background, I don't know. Now what I'm going to do is turn the noise cancellation feature. So all I have to do is just press one time over here, and you will see the green light pops up, which means the noise cancellation feature is on. So what you are hearing right now is with the noise cancellation feature. Now maybe you won't be able to hear any background noise. The noise will be clear. And yeah, so there is two more feature in this. If I have to mute myself, what I will do is I will press this button twice, so it will turn red. Now it's green. Now I will press this button twice. Let me just show you guys. One, two. Yeah. So to unmute yourself, you're gonna have to press this button twice. So once it turns green, you can see that the noise cancellation feature is on and the mic is working. So that's how you unmute yourself. If you want the video to stop without touching your phone, what you can do is you can just press this button 3 times. It will turn red and the video will automatically get stopped. It's a very light mic. It's something 8 gram, and it's a very handy mic. You can carry it anywhere. If you use noise cancellation feature, the battery lasts up to 6 hours. If you do not use noise cancellation feature, it will last for around 9 hours. That's what the box claims. I don't know how it works. I will come to know once I use it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch off the noise cancellation feature. Now it has green light popping up, which means the noise cancellation feature is on. I will just press it once, so it will turn blue. See, which means the noise cancellation feature is off. I am using the mic, just the mic. The background noise will not be abstracted or extracted from the video. So just to give you an overview, guys, I am I like this mic. I'm gonna start using this mic more often than not. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions related to this mic in the comments. I will definitely answer to all your questions. See you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.